Alright, part 2, how to link to the template from your Moodle page and add an assignment for the students to do. So the first thing I'm going to do is open up Google Docs, go to my home, and I'm going to go find that template again. Again, it's create over here on the left, from template, which will take me to the gallery. Right now it's showing Hopkins Public Schools templates. I want to go to My Templates, where you should see the one that you created. At this point, I'm just going to click over here on the icon that shows a little preview of the template. And when I do, it's going to pop up. And this is the URL that I'm going to want to copy because I'm going to link to it from Moodle. So I'm going to copy this link up here. Command C is my shortcut, or you could go up to Edit and Copy. And once I've copied that, I can close it out. And now I need to go to my Moodle page. Scroll down here and find me. There we go. So I just scroll down, find where I'm going to add that in. In this case, it's a writing assignment for me, but it looks like on your page, the assignments or alternate assignments are at the bottom of your page. So you find that block. And now what we're going to do is actually add an activity. So I click on Add an Activity. And the assignment is going to be, students are just going to be able to submit an online text. If you just wanted to link to that template, you could go to Add a Resource and then link to a file or website. In this case, a website would take you to that template gallery where we just paste in that link. But in addition to doing the template, they're also going to have a short activity, it looks like, based on the one that Terry created. So click on Add an Activity, and then the assignment is going to be for them to do some online text or some typing. Click on that, give it a name. Assignment for week of whatever looks like is what you might be putting. Then you give a short little description of the activity. So I'm going to type, click here to get the poem for 2 voices template. That's to start with. And now this click here, I'm going to highlight that because I want the students to click on those words to take them to that link that we have copied. So once I have it highlighted, I can go up here to this link, insert web link, just click on it, and then you just paste in the URL that we have copied. So I'm going to delete that, and Command V is paste, or you can do edit paste, and that'll put the URL into that line. I just click OK, and you can see it's now an alternate color and underlined. That way I know that it has a link. Then I add the rest of the assignment. So if you wanted them to go to a certain website to practice their typing, like Terry had in that original link, or if you want them to submit a story, you could have them do that here. So I'm just going to say, after completing the poem, submit a 1-paragraph reflection of how you and your partner worked together. So this is where you just type in what the assignment is going to be. Then there's a few things you need to maybe change. The grade that you're going to grade them on, I would say just do a satisfactory scale. You can disable the due dates on that, so you don't need to worry about it. Allow students to resubmit or edit. Click yes. Do you want to get an email alert when someone submits an assignment? I would say yes. You can leave the comment in line just as no. And then you're all done. All you need to do is click Save and Display just to check out how it looks. Once you've done that, you'll see the assignment. You'll see the link to go to the template gallery. If I click on that, it should open up that doc, and it will. There it is. And then the students just click on Use this template, and when they do, as long as they're logged into Docs, it will create a copy of that, which they can then change the name of and then share with you. I'm going to go back here just to the page so you can see where students would write their reflection or do their story or whatever. It's right down here under Edit My Submission. When they click on that, they get a field to type in, and this is where they could type in their story or whatever the assignment is. And then at the bottom, they just click Save Changes. Then you'd get an email that shows that they've done that assignment. So I hope this helps. Let me know if you have some questions, and we could sit down and design something, or I could help you build a few of these just so you get good practice on it.